What is going on, YouTube? My name is Rooster Gaming, and today we're back with another Teardown video. Yeah. So, a lot of my videos, they've been taking a long time to, get to the action. So, I'm just gonna cut to where we're ready. Alright, I got the tornado prepared. This is a massive funnel, as you can see. Holy... Oh! Dude, wait, this tornado is actually huge. Whoa. Alright, I'm sending this drone in here. See what it does. Oh, it got picked up immediately. Holy moly. Is that it? Is it? Oh, this is my house, and I put it on this guy's roof. Hopefully he doesn't get mad. Send it right here. Alright, I gotta plank up. Oh no, now I gotta plank up the doors. Oh, here comes the lag. Alright, we planked it up. Excuse the lag, this is actually not that laggy. If you are an OG on this channel, it's Whoa. Excuse the lag, we'll calm down in a second. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god, everything just got destroyed. Oh! Oh, look at all that! Oh! Whoa! Okay, this is a lot. Can you put me down now, please? Oh, yeah, we gotta go. Yo, cue the music! Cue the music! Oh no, don't! Oh, just forget about it! Ah! Oh my! Whoa! 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 And it still drives. Holy moly! Ah! I just mined my way through that tree. Oh my goodness! Yo! This used to be a thriving town, and now it's gone. Look at this brick formation. Somehow suspending itself in the air by this. Watch it. Watch what happens. Yeah, I don't know how this game works. Yeah. Jessica! Jessica, get back in the house, please! There's a tornado out there! Please! I'm sorry I ate all the munchkins. I didn't know you liked them. No, Jessica, please! We're supposed to be a happy family. I don't want you to die! Jessica. No, Jessica, actually, please! Jessica! Jessica, I'm being serious! Oh my god. Jessica! Jessica, no! I just saw her headlights fade through in the distance. Everything's flying around. I gotta get out of here. Oh, there goes the power. No, under the stairs, under the stairs. No. Under the stairs. It's gonna be okay. Oh! Oh! Stairs is giving up on me! Stairs, don't give up on me! Yes! Reinforce me! No! Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, the house is falling apart! The house is falling apart! Oh my god. I think we're safe underneath these stairs. I think we are. Yeah. Why'd I say that? Why'd I say that? Why'd I say that? Why'd I say that? Stairs, stay with me! Stay with me! I don't want to die! No! Oh! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry. I didn't know train tracks would destroy my entire car. Hold on. Okay, cue the music! Sweetie, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. How is the power? Why am I in reverse right now? Yeah, I need to turn on my TV. I'm not in reverse. Alright, just forget about the car. Just forget about the car. Okay, stop somewhere. Just cringy at this point. Why is the door all the way over here? I have to walk. Walk. Nobody likes walking. Alright. The gas tanks might explode, but I don't know. I hope they don't. Because if they do, like, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, I can tell it's getting pretty close. Yeah, I see debris. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I think I just saw that blue car. Oh, there goes that car. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! The gas tank! I got back up. I got back up. Yup, there those go! Oh my God! The tornado just became a fire tornado! A fire-nado! I gotta get behind this thing. Dude, it just became a thing. Guys, there's like fire in there. Oh, there goes the force. I wonder where that car is right now. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. I'm switching. Get me out! Is it for real? Get out of here! Okay, oh, whoa! Oh, okay, yeah, we're definitely in the air. Look at this, it's just yellow. Oh, there it is. We're going. Oh, it's so bright, oh my. Oh, I found it! Guys, in case you were wondering, this is where the car is. There's like a piece of road stuck in it. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. There's just like a piece of road stuck in it. It's pretty totaled, I'd say, for the most part. Ah! No idea where that blue car went, but I do see pieces of it scattered around, so I think it... So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking to the end. I didn't think you'd actually stick to the end, you know. I didn't think you'd actually stick to the end, so thank you for doing that. If you like, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe, because these videos take quite a long time to make. You know, editing, thumbnail, takes like 2 hours. So I would appreciate your support if you leave a like or a comment, or yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.